Hi everyone, this is Life V Skills. Today's knot article introduces a cross-object binding knot. I have 2 wrenches here. We're going to cross-tie these 2 wrenches. A lot of people don't know what to use, and so let me show you the crossover ties the knot. Very practical. I have prepared a rope here. Put the rope over this wrench at the bottom, like the skeleton of some kite if you set up shelves in some vegetable gardens. This method is very good. It's pretty sturdy. Then the 2 ropes cross. The rope on the right is on top. Then wrap this rope from the bottom up. You must pay attention here. The rope on the right must be in the middle. That means we're going to hold this rope down, and the noose goes to the junction. Then tighten it again. You tighten it up and the knot is ready. If this is used to bind 2 objects, the cross is strong and firm. It is very practical in life. Have you learned this crossbody binding knot? Well, today's video will be shared here. Thank you for watching. If you like, please like and follow us. See you next time. Bye.